Hi, how are you? I'm also good, thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Sorry? Maharashtra. Nice to meet you. What do you do? Master. Okay. Then, are you born and raised in Maharashtra? Hello, Maharashtra. Are you studying also in Maharashtra? Okay. Then, I'm from Odisha. I don't do anything. Yeah, I'm unemployed. You guess above, above. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it was also good. Right now, also good. Yes. Yeah. Then tell me. And next question. What's your question? Okay. Then you are doing master. Then what's your future plan? Okay. Okay. Do you belong to business family or any your family member who work in government department or private? What? Sorry. Mm-hmm. Okay, do you cultivate any crops, right? No, then do you have any business? Okay, then he has lots of money for you people, right? Okay, if you don't want to disclose it, it's okay. Okay, you tell me what did you eat today? Oh, okay, you don't take any kind of refreshment in the evening? Okay. Okay. Are you staying in a hostel? Okay, PG. Okay, and how far from your residence, your home, from your college? Yeah, sorry, 3 kilometers. And do you stay in PG? Okay. Then are you preparing any kind of competitive exam? Okay. Because you have to up your exam, right? And you have to also get good CGP or something. Then it is better. Okay. Then how long have you been using this platform? 1 year. Okay. Do you talk with your friend or your professor in English? Okay. Then you got atmosphere, right? If you interact with your friend, then you talk each other in English. Then it is not means Okay, you only just interact with your professor if you have any query, or if you have any query related to your subject, then you ask them, right? Otherwise, if you interact with your friend, then you interact with them in your mother tongue, native language, Marathi, right? Okay. Well, okay, they don't want to talk in English, right? But you are a good speaker because you practice in this type of platform and you interact with your professor, then it's enough, right? Yeah, but we have to only improve vocabulary, right? Otherwise, it's enough. If we want to interact with only Indian people, Pakistani people, Bangladeshi, it's okay, right? Because our accents similar each other, then it's okay. They can understand. If you want to communicate with them, then they can understand perfectly. Little bit, if we interact with foreigner, they can understand, but little bit our pronunciation and accent little bit different from them, right? Then it create little bit hectic to interact with them, and sometime we have to make them understand according to what we have knowledge, right? Otherwise, they can also understand perfectly in Indian accent, right? For not they can understand Indian accent, because even though you see one club, not club lingo, Kamli application, all Indian also student in there, right? And any Indian student, some student they can speak like a native speaker, but some people they speak like a Indian accent, right? And they learn from foreign teacher, right? For now they are teacher, they teach Indian student, they understand, that's why they teach them, right? That's why they are familiar in any country accent, that's why they are teacher, right? They teach them Indian, Bangladeshi, Pakistani, or different country, because foreigner they can understand all type of accent, that's why they can teach. Otherwise, how become a teacher, right? Yeah, that's why. But language, it's okay. People they try to speak like a native speaker. They do hard work, but it will take time, right? But if you want to communicate with others, they can understand what you wanna tell them. It's okay. If we don't have strong vocabulary, then also it's okay. We can survive any situation, right? And we can communicate with others in simple sentences or simple vocabulary, anyone can they understand. Or if you take strong vocabulary and next person they cannot understand, then how go ahead our conversation, right? That is also, yeah. But we have to learn also vocabulary, not only simple thing, right? Because of if we don't focus strong vocabulary, or if you take any book for an author's books, right? If you are book lover or book reader, then definitely we have to know about vocabulary, then we easily understand what they have written in book, right? Yeah, even though you see in Sasi Tharoor also, he spoke like native speaker, and he has a strong vocabulary inside his head. Foreigner also sometimes they cannot understand what he speaks in English, right? And they also wondering to know about meaning of vocabulary. Pardon? Yeah. Okay. Bye. Bye.